it is very difficult. It's not workable to avoid digital media. We have adopted digital media, and within the citizen journalists that we work with and those who are coming to studio where we get information, we find that these issues makes life easier. We have also adopted WhatsApp, we've adopted Facebook, we also have Twitter spaces, and there are many others that our young people and our media personalities in our catchment area are using. Here and there, the consumption of this digital media, sometimes it is based on the fact that some have got fear, or they don't trust to say that when you use WhatsApp, people would say that that's where you get gossip. So there is also that level of our communities distrusting these digital platforms because of those perceptions. So we are working very hard to ensure that at least people adapt and adopt these new technologies, because they are more useful than they are destructive.